Ain't nobody gonna melt your heart like them two boys at your house. Nigga, they there for a reason. You setting an example. Setting the stage. And say, yo, you gotta earn it. Especially if you fuck around and you do 9 G's, then you get that out.
All right, so
that's what you should do. That's what you should do.
I'm about to start streaming. All right.
That's what you should do for Ezra and shit. You should get Ezra like a little cool ass wallet. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You get a cool ass wallet. My mother told my father to do that to me. Cool ass little wallet for the house. Shit. That shit's $7. So don't never leave the house without $7.
I'm gonna hit you back. All right, so what's up, man? I'm just not getting online, but I've been in a trade since like 6 o'clock, man. I'm up. See what we up. That is 29 floating. Really good day, real big day. This is my biggest day so far. I think I'm gonna slide these, work on these stops. Move these stops on down a little bit. Move these stops on down a little bit. Let's see. Where am I putting my stops? If I get into how I caught this move, let me just set up my stops. Got in super duper early. I seen this move yesterday. If you was watching my stream yesterday, I didn't go into detail on what I was seeing, but I'm going to explain. I gotta set my stops. Yeah, 3 now. I want to move it a little bit up. I want to move them a little bit up. I want to make sure I'm giving this market enough to breathe. All right, so I have the stops later, but let me go into what I saw. Up 3,000. So, all right, let's go ahead and break this down. Top-down analysis. You can see yesterday's candle, man, how it closed was so good, so beautiful. Long wick to the side, to the top. Touch from this order block right here. This is yesterday's trade. I got in here and I got out here, and this is where I saw it, and I was like, nah, that's an order block right here. So I got out and I got in some sales, made some money on some sales, and then got in some buys, and I lost some money in some buys, and I was like, I'm just gonna chill. Just gonna chill until tomorrow, because I speculated it being a big drop today. So going back to the daily, as I said, we have this strong doji with this strong sell signal right here. Go to the 8 hour. I was looking for like some type of head and shoulder variation for sure. I woke up, seen that price broke this resistance line right here, and I wasn't a believer that price would reach back up to this order block. Going down to 5 minute, I entered. I seen how price left this Asian session very impulsively, um, up up bull, which to me indicated manipulation. So seeing that manipulation in the market, seeing the market start to consolidate, making this triangle right here, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I decided to get in somewhere around here, and it's been melting ever since. Right now it's 9:09, about a little under 30 minutes, probably 30 minutes, under 30 minutes left until the New York Stock Exchange opens and some more volatility comes in, but everything is just looking beautiful. Look at this hour, man. Look how strong this hour is. Like, why would I get out now? Like, why would I get out now? Let me go ahead and I want to trying to see how do I um, how can I invite people to my stream? Come on, y'all, but yeah, that's what we doing. That's what we flowing, as you can see. Up 29, 3 racks. Call it 3. And yeah, like I said, I moved my stop losses down a little bit, not too much because you know US30 is crazy, man. So, but so far so good. Send this stream to. Let's I get my viewership up. All right. So yeah, I had to try to get those out, try to get my viewership up. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Does this move? My camera move? This is a new webcam I'm testing out. It's supposed to move. But yeah, we up. We up, we up, we up. A little retrace. A little retrace. I plan on staying in this trade till full TP. Like it retraced to 50%. We're already below 23%. So yeah, I plan on staying in for as long as I can. And I think this trade is gonna hit TP. If it does, it's gonna be a big, 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 big day for your board. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. But yeah, that's what we're looking like. Looking good, looking good. to do something. This video. All right, where we at now? 3K, still moving down, still moving down. All these are good signs of the market going low. I do see it retracing, of course. Do see it retracing, of course. But even this, look, this trend line broke. This one tested. This trend line tested. This trend line broke. So I see a retrace at least back up to this trend line and possibly coming back down. Who knows? I may into some more trades, you know what I'm saying? Re-entry, you know what I'm saying? We're in the market here, possibly come down. Possibly. Oh, shoot. Yeah, let me send it straight to my boy. Link. And I'm getting better at this, so bear with me. I'm just sending this link to some of my trading people. There's Wall Street. Let's see. It's a beautiful day so far. Let me just go ahead and this is what I want to do. If y'all just tuning in, currently up 3K in the market, floating between 28 and 3K. Still before stock exchange open, I want to break down this what I seen. So going into yesterday closed beautiful doji candle, man. Strong buy weakness, buyer exhaustion to the top. If you're watching the stream yesterday, I got in on this buy and rode the market all the way up, and I seen that we were unable to break this point. I also seen it was some type of order block. And that was enough confirmation for me to get out of the buys, got in some sells, made some money on both sides, tried to take some buys, ended up getting out of them with a little loss. But I did determine that I was anticipating sells for today. I wasn't sure if prices were going to get up back into this range, but I definitely knew that I was in sells just by how the daily candle closed. So let's go back to where's my entry. So woke up this morning, seen the Asian session, this high spike out bull. Immediately to me, it looks like manipulation because there's no break and retest. It's just straight volume up. And then I started to see weakness, buyer's weakness right here. Decided to get into the market off of this pattern right here. Let's see if I can reset. There we go. Yeah. This pattern right here is what I decided to enter the market, and it's been melting ever since. Strong bear candles, and I do believe that it still has more to go, man. I'm loving how the sellers are breaking the floor, man. How the bears are just breaking the floor after floor after floor. Now we're here. Can't see a retest coming back. Can see this happening. I can see that happening, but overall, still bears. Still bears. As I said before, I look at oil right now just because the war and what's going on with oil prices, and there's a confluence with oil and indexes right now. As oil prices get higher, indexes become weaker. So I do use that correlation. That's something that I saw on Bloomberg, and this made a lot of sense. I don't take my trades solely off of this. I just use it as more confluence. Yeah. Looking good. Still looking good. I do not want to roll my stops back yet until I see some type of retrace on H1. If I see any retrace on H1. This is the previous day's low that we're at right now, that we're challenging. I don't know. I'm gonna get out, honestly. I'm up 39, 29. I'm gonna get out if I see this pattern. If I see the market double tap, break, I'll get out. If I see the market create a pattern like that, I'll get out, no problem, no questions asked. I'm the fuck out. But until then, I'm fucking holding. Because I really do believe that this is going to hit TP. Just look how these candles are forming. We're getting a little bit of, now we're getting some bulls come in because it's hitting the low of yesterday. And I'll see retracements. Of course, it's going to retrace, but for the most part, I'm staying in. For the most part, I am staying in. Yeah, that's the only condition I'm getting out. I'm not getting out for a retrace. Let's see what's going on. Good. Trying to see, how can I see? I'm still trying to figure this out so I can see people's comments. Yeah, how do you go to the studio? Yeah. Yeah, we up. No, there's no bluff. This is my account. Like I said, it's a $2,000 account, and basically whatever's on top of that $2,000 I take. So I was a little bit below from trading yesterday at the end of the market after I withdrew. I went back in the market and got yipped. But yeah, I'm floating now, so we're good. I think it's a little bit more. How do I enter that somewhere there? It's the risk reward. Now I'm risk free right now currently, but my initial risk, it was super small. I'm in 6 orders right now, and each order, the initial risk was between $30 to $37 each order. So it's anywhere from like 180 to like 240 in total what I risk for these trades. But the max, I have my take profit. I have my take profit somewhere around here, 24. Like I said, take profit, I always reach for the stars, man. I want the best risk to reward ratio. You know, that's what I want. That's what I aim for. But I keep in mind these floors it has to break. Right now, it's bouncing off this floor. We'll see if it goes back down and keeps flowing down. But this is TP1 right here. That's just a little bit off the top. If it struggles right here, I'll probably get out with that. So they hit full TP. It all depends. The market wants to break. The market wants to break. This range is in. This daily range is in. The market want to break it. We shall see. I'm just keeping it very vigilant because, as I keep saying, it is wartime. So the markets are volatile, very sensitive to news. So just because I'm here now, I mean, this one will be when goddamn the New York session opens at 9:30 in 2 minutes. We shall see. I'm ready to press that button as always to get up out of here. Trying to see if I got any units there. Look how this candle is forming. Beautiful. buyers tried to push above, and now they're coming back down, creating this long wick. Yeah. Trying to see if I got any meetings today. I think I got one at 11. I went at 10. Yeah, so I'm gonna be getting out after a little bit, getting off the stream after a little bit. But yeah, we I'll probably post. I'm gonna hold this trade. I'll probably post on my page what it's gonna look like at the end. But right now I'm risk free, so I'm going home with somebody. I'm going home with something. Gotta come home with something. And the market is about to open. 9:30. Look at that. Look at this beautiful 30-minute candle. Like, why would you go against this? Why would you put in a trade against this? Somewhere in America, somebody's putting in buys. Somewhere around the world, somebody's putting in buys right now. Somewhere. But not here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Close on this one. Okay, we good. And look at this. We got a break of structure on H4 right here. We got a break of structure right there. Hope if it stays closed for the next 30, which I believe it will, but still I'm going to mark it just for future. We got that break of structure. Always looking for reasons. Like just because I'm in trades, just because I already entered the trade don't mean you just leave it. No, you gotta keep monitoring the trade. So when I'm monitoring the trade, I'm looking for reasons to stay in. I'm looking for reasons to exit the trade. Right now, I don't, even though it's coming up, I still don't see a reason to exit the trade. You know, I don't see a reason to exit the trade just yet. Yeah, we holding on. Like I said, I'm currently up. What we at now? 26. I got the 26. We was at $3 grand. We got the 26. A little bit of retracement. So we in a risk-free trade. So I'm gonna make some money today. Make some money today. I want this because I feel like this shit is going to breathe. I don't want to get stopped out. I'm okay. I'm good enough for it just being risk free, breaking even for that. You know what I'm saying? I want the full move. I don't want to get out too early. I want to give myself some comfort, some cushion in the market. The markets do retrace, especially on US30. I doubt that it's gonna go up that high. The retracement will be that high, but if it is, or be ready for it. But yeah, like I said, I love watching the money, but not more than the move. This candle's swimming. Doji like a motherfucker. Let's break. Let's break. Let's break. I hit TP. I hit TP. That'll be my first 5-figure day if I hit TP, guys. My first 5-figure day if I hit TP. Insane. Most people would have got out with the 3 racks. Nah. We holding on. We holding strong. Yeah, that's a retracement. That's a retracement. Oh my God. Everybody's trying to get out. I'm holding on. I am holding on. It's too early. It's too early. Getting out the party right now. It's too early to be getting out the party right now. But then look. I don't know. Cause then this bottom is still getting respected. You see? So this is like wartime. If it doesn't, if it's like the psychology, the whole of trade. I like how it's bouncing off of this. Yeah, I love how it's respecting this as resistance. Yep. If it breaks above this, I'm out. I think if it breaks above this area, I'm out. That's enough for me to get out. I'm not losing that much. I ain't willing to risk that much. Can't go for that. I can go for a little, but I can't go for that. Yeah, ski breaking. Ski breaking. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Holding on. And we holding strong. Currently at 2,400, 24. I'm telling you, it breaks this resistance right here, man. I'm out. It breaks this trend line. I think I'm out. Separates the boys from the men right now. From the ballers to the shot callers. So separate them right now. The strongs from the weak. Now hold on. Like I said, at 10 o'clock, I got a meeting, so probably around like 10:50, I'm gonna get off. 10:50, I'm gonna get off. I don't like that. I don't like that. See how the hour. Oh, that's important. This right here. Like this. Let's see. I want to test this. See this resistance right here. It never fully uh broke this. Tested, tested, break, retest, follow through, couldn't find a new high. Came down, dropped below it. Probably gonna retest it again 9 times out of 10. Hopefully it retests it within this hour candle. We get a nice wick up and then come back down till it'll slow down. That's what I'm expecting. But everything looking really, really good right now. You got this breaker structure right here. I mean, there's a lot of levels that this market is broken. So it's retracing right now to some of our profits, and we hold it. I don't see a reason for me to get out yet. Still following the downtrend. No breaker structure on these smaller time frames. Sometimes I come in right here. Well, 1 minute is really weak, so I'm not really tripping like that. But yeah, I don't intend on getting out. I don't intend on getting out. Intend on holding as long as I can, and as always, I'm always transparent. What we got? Oh, that's still at 22. Oh, I was at 3. Now I'm at 22. Let's see. I'll give the market some back just to see if we push back. I see strong sales though. I'm not believing strong sales. Why do you believe in strong sales, B? Well, I believe in strong sales because how this goddamn candle was closed. How this this daily candle, the previous day candle closed. This is it was closed so right. You know. Retrace. And we back pulling back down. Got the moving averages, below moving averages, retesting moving averages. A lot of confluence right here. A lot of confluence right here. Yeah. This is an important key point in the market for sure. And I'm definitely gonna be watching that area. Possibly for some re-entries to enter the market again. I see some more sales. But yeah, I'm watching that area for sure. Yep. See how it rejected from that area. Yes. That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we want. And I'm gonna enter into another sale. Absolutely. Why shouldn't I? I deserve it for my patience. Let's wait till it closes. We're gonna wait till this candle's full close. We only take sales at full close. A minute left till full close. See, that's why. That's why. That's why I want to see. I want to see a strong. I want to see a strong bear candle. Strong bear candle below that wick. I want to see it below that wick. For me to enter again, I want to see it below that wick. Yes, come down below that wick. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come down below the wick. 25 seconds left. Sit on your hands, B. Sit on your hands. Sit on your fucking hands. Sit on your hands. 15, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take 2 trades right there. I'll take 2 trades right there. And then stop loss. It's a thing, right? I'm gonna monitor these manually because I know the market like to retrace and come back down. But let me see. Now I'm gonna put a little stop loss. We'll put a stop loss up like we'll do a general stop loss. We'll do a general stop loss. We'll do a general stop loss. I don't like that. What's that? Scary, man. These markets are sweaty right now. I mean, you can make money right now because it's super volatile because of the war, but it is sweaty. Right now, it is 9:46. I've got like 14 minutes left. So I have a meeting to get into. But it is sweaty, sweaty, sweaty. Sweaty, sweaty, sweaty. God. I like how that candle closed. I don't like how it's coming back though. So I'm saying I should have I'm gonna get out these trades. I'm gonna say this. Hey, I'm gonna get out these trades. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna get out these trades. I just don't feel good about it, bro. Like, I should have waited. This is someone who got in too early. I should have been more picky. I should have waited. I get out these trades. I'll take that little 140, 180. I'll take that loss. That's what I get for not waiting for the hour to close. Should have waited for the hour. Discipline. Wait for the hour to close. Wait for the hour to close. Wait for the hour to close. I could have stayed in them trades, honestly. But still, like, The candle wasn't even strong enough. Like, it's a dozy. I feel like if it goes bare again, that'll be strong enough. But we're so close to this 4 hour candle closing. It's like, why not wait? Just so I can get more confirmation. Right now, it's looking spooky. So I'll wait for more confirmation. Wow. I like how that's looking. I like how that's looking. Could I have stayed in? Yeah. But it's just rules, man. Rules. Rules. I thought you get back in right now. Let me see. I gotta see something on the net. Oh my God. If that doesn't make you want to enter, I don't know what will. But rules, fellas, rules. Cause see how I entered, it's going back up. Boom. It's just better in these type of scenarios. It's just better just to wait till 9 minutes. Wait 9 minutes to the higher time frame candle closes. Simple as that. Sit in your fucking hands, and that's why I got out. Don't be greedy. Now, if I see another bear, and if I see a strong bear candle, I ain't gonna be stupid. Don't be greedy, but don't be stupid. God dang it, shit. Don't be greedy, but don't be stupid. All right, so I'm gonna have to end my broadcasting here because I have a meeting to attend. But yeah, so that's what I'm trading right now. This is how it's looking, and I'm gonna post on my social how much I make.